Model, 2009 Ford Transit 2.2 TDCi 115PS 260 short wheelbase, low roof ready to work full MOT low mileage. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 71,708. MOT, the 21st of December 2025. Engine, 2198cc TDCI 115PS DURATORQ-B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Gearbox changes gear well and pulls in all gears. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.